Hi students, welcome to my Shine classes. Small steps lead to big successes. Let's today talk about parts of speech. We'll be taking one example of a sentence. The blue balloon drifted quietly over a boy and his dog. Let's see what are the parts of speech in this sentence. We know that the is a determiner. Blue is an adjective which is describing balloon. Balloon is a noun. Drifted is a verb. Quietly is an adverb. Over is a preposition. A is a determiner. Boy is again a noun, a common noun. And is a conjunction. His is a determiner and dog is a noun again. That's a common noun. Now, if we speak about the names of the 9 parts of speech, we've got 9 parts of speech. The first is noun, pronouns, third is adjective, fourth is determiner, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, and last is the interjection. If you speak about noun, it's the name of a thing or a person. Like example words are pen, dog, work. Sentences are this is my pen. Here pen is a noun. He lives in my town. Town is a common noun. We live in Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. Pronoun is that which replaces a noun. Like I, you, he, she. If we speak about the example sentences, Yash is Indian. Here he is handsome. Now here he is being used in place of Yash. He is a pronoun here. Adjective is a part of speech which describes a noun. Like good, big. Example is my dog is big. He is a good man. What type of a man he is? He is a good man. What type of a dog is he? My dog is big. Determiner determines a noun. All the articles a and they. Some is a quantitative determiner. Examples are I ate some bread. So the next is adverb. Describes a verb, adjective or adverb. Example words are quickly, silently, well, badly, very rarely. Then the example words, sentences are my dog eats quickly. How the dog eats? He eats quickly. When he is hungry. When he is hungry, he eats really quickly. Here, really is describing an adverb here. Like when he is hungry, he eats really quickly. Verb is an action or state. Example words are to be, have, do, like, work. Examples are discovery.com is a website. Here is a verb. I like discovery.com. Like is a verb. Preposition links a noun to another word like to, at, after, on. Example sentences, we went to school on Monday. On is a preposition here. Conjunction, which joins clauses or sentences or, and, but, when. Words this is example sentences are I like dogs and I like cats, and I like dogs but I don't like cats. But is a conjunction. Interjection is a short exclamation. Example words are oh, ouch, hi. Example sentences are ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you? Well, I don't know. So these are the parts of speech. Whenever we write any sentence, we should be able to make out which word is which part of the speech. So today, enough for today. We'll meet in the next class soon. Thank you and bye.